Hello friends, this is Zara phase failure relay. This is voltage monitoring relay. Today we are going to install it. The connections are, here we have to connect neutral, first phase, second phase, third phase, and we have to jump third phase to L point. The 11 is common and 14 is normally closed, 12 is normally open. We have to give the phase as 11, positive wire at 11, and it will shift to 14 in normal working condition. This is under voltage limit adjuster, this is upper voltage limit adjuster, and the last one is time delay. How much time would you like to have before this phase failure relay disconnects the system? Easy to install. Here you can see that, very easy to install on the channel. These three adjusters can be adjusted for lower limit and upper limit. When this is off, this will break the supply at number 14. 11 is common. When it's on, it will continue the supply from 11 to 14. In off condition, it will give the supply from 11 to 12. Here you can see low, medium, high voltage control, voltage monitoring relay. If you have any questions about this relay, you can ask in the comments. Now we have given it 3 phase and it's on and giving supply from 11 to 14. If you want to install a light, you have to take the phase from 12. It will give the phase at 12 when it trips, or in off condition. The off light will be on, red light will be on and it's tripped. Thanks for watching.